Hello there. Good morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on when you're watching this. I just got off the phone, I don't know, about 45 minutes ago with my doctor's nurse, Melissa, and she delivered some distressing news, but not crazy bad. My CEA number, which is supposed to be lower, that's better, jumped from 52 since its last reading about a month ago to 91. So that's the wrong direction. So we got to figure something out for that. Also, my magnesium is low, which is just a chemo thing, 5 milligrams, and it's 1 milligram per hour of infusion. So I'm going to split that up come Thursday and Friday mornings. I think Thursday I'll get there around 8, be done by 11 and head to work. And Friday, be there by 8:30, done by 10:30 for the other 2 milligrams. So that's all I know. And don't worry about me. Just keep those cards coming. I know Christmas is over, but I really like getting snail mail. Thank you. Talk to you later. Hopefully with some better news.